In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage clients in Clickup so you can keep all your projects organized and collaborate efficiently. Start by opening your Clickup workspace and make sure you're in the right workspace where all your client work is managed. Next, select the project you want to use for client management. This could represent a specific client, campaign, or service you're handling. Now, click Add List inside that project. Lists act like organized sections where you can manage tasks, deliverables, and communication for each client. To save time, choose Use Template when creating your list. Templates help you instantly set up a structured workflow without starting from scratch. In the search bar, type in a relevant template like legal project assignment or any client management template that fits your workflow. Select the template and apply it. Clickup will automatically create a structured list with tasks, sections, and workflows already in place. Now take a moment to customize everything. Update task names, assign team members, set due dates, and add any details specific to your client. You can also include attachments, notes, and communication details so everything related to that client stays in one place. Once set up, this becomes your client management hub where you can track progress, manage deadlines, and collaborate Bisahula. And that's it. You now have a clean, organized system in Clickup to manage multiple clients without confusion.